just filmed getting ready with me slash the Sephora haul. Oh my goodness, y'all, I made a huge mess. I made a huge mess. So I'm gonna clean this up now. If you guys need some motivation to clean spaces, continue watching. Oh my gosh. And yes, that is the lighting that I use. So much better. I wanted to show you, I finished my workout and this is what the hoodie looks like. So there is a drawstring part here that is pretty long, but you can just tuck it all the way in and it stays there fine. It stays pretty put. So you just put it up there, it's comfortable. I didn't even notice it was there. It actually adjusts. And you can just kind of tuck it under here. I don't know, I just put it in there and during my whole workout until now. It stayed fine. And then the logo, the cocktail logo is right here. It is pretty cropped, but I really like it. Like with long leggings like this, that has a pretty high waistband, you're not really showing that much skin. Of course, if you're uncomfortable, you can wear like a pretty tight tank top underneath. I just don't think it would be as cute. But it's really a cute summer hoodie. It feels really comfortable. I wore it throughout my whole workout and I got a pretty good sweat in, but I wasn't like that. I didn't really feel like I wanted to take this off. This is so comfortable, very, very stretchy. Had a great workout. I'll see you soon. I'm gonna shower now. Peace. Pasta for dinner. And Italian salad going here. I'm super excited. I haven't cooked for myself in a really long time. Also, quick tip, whenever I make pasta, I like to make extra just so that I can have pasta the next day for like lunch or something. And then I normally, when I'm bulking, I can eat this all, but lately I just haven't been feeling like I want to eat a lot, especially because I haven't been very active, so I probably will have some leftovers of that too. But I have some turkey meatballs in there. I don't really know what this specific pasta is called. It's some onions and spices.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.